Good day, everyone. I am Ronalyn Nadura, and I am a BEED student. And now I'm going to report about technology evaluation. So before we proceed to our lesson, let's take a look first at these pictures. So what can you say about the pictures? Yes, it shows traditional world and digital world of teaching. There are many kinds of instructional materials, but some of the most used ones are traditional resources, like graphic organizers and teacher-made resources. Traditional resources include textbooks and workbooks. While in modern world, a video or movie maker app is considered a digital tool that can be used to help students create a movie to help explain a concept they're learning. Other digital tools and resources include word processing documents, slide presentation software. The standard student evaluation of learning must change. This is justified by the fact that not only has the new generation changed into digital learners, but traditional world has metamorphosed into digital world. Assessment needs to conform, not with the literacy of the past century, but the new literacy of the 21st century. This is a literacy that uses digital tools in preparing students to face a high-tech world. Teachers must adopt a new mindset both for instruction and evaluation. Evaluation must be geared to assessment of essential knowledge and skills so that the learners can function effectively, productively, and creatively in the new world. Let's have first the definitions of the terms evaluation and technology. Evaluation is a holistic approach. All the phases of learning must be seen because all of them contribute to the total development of the child. Evaluation therefore must judge on strength of the content selected, the strategies employed, and the instructional materials used. And what about technology? Technology is the science of the application of knowledge to practical purposes in a particular field. It means the totality of the means employed by a group of people to provide itself with the objects of material culture. Assessment needs to conform not with the literacy of the past century, but the new literacy of the 21st century. It involves information fluency, collaboration fluency, solution fluency, digital fluency, media fluency, and the creativity fluency. Solution fluency is the ability to think creatively, to solve problems in real time by clearly defining the problem, designing an appropriate solution, delivering the solution, and then evaluating the process and the outcome. Next is the information fluency. It is the ability to access digital information to find the desired information. It is also the ability to use a wide variety of information sources, surfing and searching skills. Next is the collaboration fluency. Team working proficiency characterized by the unconscious ability to work cooperatively with both real and virtual partners to solve real problems. This is how to establish, envision, engineer, execute, and examine. Creativity fluency. This is how artistic proficiency adds meaning through design, art, and storytelling. So when we say digital citizenship, it uses principles of leadership, ethics, accountability, environmental awareness, global citizenship, and personal responsibility and considers his or her action and their consequences. Media fluency analyze and create communication appropriately. It means being an effective consumer and producer of digital contents from a variety of different sources. The standard paper and pencil test will prove inadequate in assessing new learning. As students engage in the problem-solving process, assessment will also need and focus on the 4 Ds. And these are the 4 Ds. First on the 4 Ds is define. Carefully consider the problem and define the problem. For example, you can ask yourself the following questions. What is it that I have to do and what other information that I need before I can do it? Second is the design. Carefully create a step-by-step plan of action to solve the problem, and then determine which member of the team will take responsibility in individual tasks and consider the end result and what should I look like. The next 4D is called the do. Then this is the time to execute that plan. The last but not the least on 4Ds is called debrief. Carefully review the final product, consider what worked well in the plan, and consider what did not work well in the plan. Knowing the end result, discuss how to revise your plan and your approach for the next project. The 4Ds have empowered the students to solve the problems using higher level theoretical and practical thinking. Mass amateurization refers to the capabilities that new forms of media have given to non-professionals and the ways in which those non-professionals have applied those capabilities to solve problems. So today, the change in evaluation approach is referred to as mass amateurization, a term which implies a mass reach of student outputs. For example, create and distribute content that compete with the solutions offered by larger professional institutions.